Now shifting focus to Maharashtra, where 2 decades after they parted ways following a power tussle, Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray and Maharashtra Navnirman Sena chief Raj Thackeray will be seen in a joint rally in Worli today. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Mayuresh on this broadcast. Mayuresh, this is happening almost after 2 decades that we are seeing both brothers coming together as far as this rally is concerned. What time is this rally? What are the plans of MNS and Shiv Sena UBT as far as this rally is concerned?
The rally has already started on the stage. Both the brothers took entry together. You can see the atmosphere behind me. People from various sections of Maharashtra have gathered here to see both the Thackeray brothers together. And on the dais right now, Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray are there. Both of them are there. And this is the frame which everyone was waiting to see from past 17 to 19 years.
Absolutely. A huge crowd is seen at the venue, and on the stage you can see Uddhav Thackeray as well as Raj Thackeray. But Mayuresh, is this the beginning of a new politics in Maharashtra? Can we expect that both brothers now coming together for this rally could actually come together for an alliance as well?
Certainly, we can say that, but a formal announcement of this kind of alliance is yet to happen. Today is the cause of a celebration for the Marathi language, because after both the brothers echoed their voice for against the compulsion of a Hindi language from standard first, Maharashtra government had to take the cognizance and they withdrew that particular government resolution. And that's why this celebration has been organized. And let me tell you that both the brothers have clarified this celebration is not of one particular party, and that's why you cannot see any party flag. There is no political party flag over here. And this particular event has been organized by both the leaders, and they have invited everyone, those who are in favor of Marathi, those who love Marathi, to come together and celebrate this. Both the parties have made it clear that they are not against Hindi, but they were against basically that particular government resolution which made, or which basically says that Hindi should be taught in schools and it should be made compulsory. So that's why they came together. But as you said, that whether it is a new beginning of a new era in Maharashtra politics or not, for that we have to say, because both the leaders so far have not shared any kind of formal proposition to each other about having an alliance. Back to you.
Well, this is, of course, a sight that has been seen after almost 20 years as far as Maharashtra politics is concerned. And it is, of course, of prime importance how MNS was part of the Shiv Sena long back and then they parted their ways. But Mayuresh, when we talk about the scenes that we are witnessing today, how are the supporters taking this? Is there, in fact, a high spirit among the supporters of Shiv Sena and MNS?
Right now both the supporters are sitting together. We'll go across to this. आप मुझे बताइए, आप किस पार्टी से है या किस पार्टी को सपोर्ट करते हैं?
मी मराठी सैनिक आहे. मी राज साहेबांचा महाराष्ट्र सैनिक आहे. मी इथे फक्त मराठीसाठी आलेलो आहे. जेव्हा मराठी चौताळते तेव्हा काय होतं हे तुम्हाला संबंध.
दोनों नेता एक साथ 20 साल के बाद आए हैं, मराठी के कॉज को लेके आए हैं, मराठी के विषय को लेके. आपको लगता है कि ये जो फ्रेम अभी हम देख रहे हैं दोनों नेताओं की एक साथ, क्या ये आगे भी देखने मिलेगी? हमें आपको अपेक्षा है?
नक्कीच बघायला मिळणार. राज साहेबांना आणि उद्धव साहेबांना महाराष्ट्रातल्या जनतेच्या मनातल्या सगळ्या गोष्टी कळतात. आज मराठीची जी काही गळचेपी होते, जे बीजेपीचं जे मराठीवरती दडपशाही चालवली आहे, त्या दडपशाहीवरतीच हुकूम गाजवण्यासाठी हे दोन वाघ एकत्र आलेले आहेत.
Certainly we heard the sentiments from the ground. He basically has come here to see both the Thackerays, and he feels that both the Thackerays should always stay together for the cause of Marathi. Right now, I beg your pardon, right now the Raj Thackeray is going to speak. So I'll request my camera person Manish to show you the visuals that Raj Thackeray has come on podium, and he will be now speaking in short while. Back to you.
All right, so there's a huge gathering. It looks like hundreds of supporters of both MNS and Shiv Sena UBT have in fact gathered here at the venue, where you can see on the stage Raj Thackeray is in fact going to make a speech. But this is of course a sight that is being seen in Maharashtra politics after almost 20 years, that the brothers, both Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray, has come together, and there is high spirit among the supporters as well. But the question, Mayuresh, here is that when it comes to the issue on which both of them have come together is of course the Hindi imposition. That is something that has already been withdrawn by the BJP. So what is really the issue on which now they both have come together? But because as of now BJP has taken back the policy as far as Hindi three language policy is concerned.
सन्माननीय उद्धव ठाकरे